Hello and welcome to my video. This is to this year's probably last video. This is a quite chaotic time because I'm quite tired and unbelievably happy. Why happy? As you can see, finally I received my Abdul Al Qurashi perfumes. This is something I was waiting for so long. I tried anybody and everybody asking them like, can you please bring it? I got only two. I supposed to get one more, but somehow they were not capable of doing that. So I have to wait. Anyways, these two I got from Dubai, and that one, the other one, I wanted to have the Safari Love MA, the online version, the one I supposed to get. That one probably I'll get it from Dubai, Kuwait. So let's see how far I have to travel to get these. Anyways, let's go with the unboxing. So today I'm going to unbox. I haven't seen the notes, and I have to say, like, these perfumes doesn't it's not really explained well in Abdul Al Qurashi website. I have went through. This one is, I know this is a very clean one. This is with only roses. This is the one I was waiting for so much. I will open it later. First I will go with the body butter. No, I'll go with this one. Sorry, these are so good. That excellent. Have a look at the packaging. I mean, even if I want, I won't be able to throw this pack. Have a look. Made in KSA Makkah Al Mukarramah. So what happened? How did I get this? This, I got it in 50% discount. I mean, I don't know how should I explain my happiness, because if it was full price, probably I won't be able to take two. I would have taken only one. These are not cheap. These are quite expensive. I didn't buy online. This is a eau de parfum, Secret of Decence. Let's open. Oh, I'm so excited. You know, I'm not even feeling like to tear it off. So I swear. God, I have to take it out. Okay. Let's open it. Oh my God. I mean, I just opened the box and I can smell the perfume. Oh, it's lovely. Okay. Let me show you how it opens. I have seen it, how it opens. So you pull it from the top. Oh, it's beautiful. It is beautiful. This is a 50 ml bottle, 80% volume. That's what it explained. 1.7 FL natural spray vaporizer. I have to say, they made it something. Ooh. Dear Lord, this is so pretty. See, oh, it's so good. They made it so easy. Like, oh, they have a card, I guess. Oh, okay. So they have a nice card for every single customer. This is beautiful, beautiful. Excellent. I don't know what written in Arabic, but they wrote something. Thank you for purchasing our world-class luxury innovation. Oh, excellent. I'll read it later. But, oh, you know, it's to die for. It's a beautiful bottle. I have to say, it's a beautiful bottle. Oh, Man, I didn't even spray it yet, but I'm getting crazy with the smell. I have to. I was thinking to spray on the... Oops. Oh, it's beautiful. It's nothing like any other perfume I have of roses. It's beautiful. My God, the top is quite heavy. This is pure rose. It's written here, Abdul Qurashi. I mean, this bottle is absolutely perfect of what it's contained, and I will explain the perfume to you guys later in a review, but I wanted to show you how the box look like. Let's move it here. Let's go with the second perfume. My God, it's turning me crazy. I only sprayed once. It's pure rose. I mean, if you are crazy about rose like me, you have to have it. Trust me, you want to have it. It's nothing like the Turkish rose or Bulgarian rose or the Moroccan rose. I have all kind of roses perfume. At least, special kind of perfumes which are specialized with the rose perfume, like Delina. Delina was one of my favorite, Delina exclusive. That is one of my most favorite. But you know what? Probably that is gonna be replaced. This is beautiful. This is a clean cut rose perfume. Let's open this one. I heard a lot about this. Actually, I was asking for the Safari one, but I heard that Safari La Femme, the one I saw, that is actually available only online. So whoever went there to buy my stuff, they said it's not there, so they had to buy something else. So I was suggested to buy this one. It's a limited edition body mask. Body mask is a very famous perfume of them. So this is a 50 ml bottle, 1.7 FORs. Ingredients are written here. For this is eau de parfum. Let's open. I'm quite amazed with their presentation. Okay, there's a gold inside. I don't know what's so special about it. What I saw in the picture, it looks exactly like that. Eau de parfum. Oh wow, the bottle is quite cold. Colder than this one. I don't know why. Let's spray this one. Oh yes. I mean, super powdery. It's a perfume that can be used in regular basis. This is a beautiful perfume. I mean, this is too gorgeous. This is too gorgeous. And this one is very powdery, very subtle, masky, clean mask. I mean, this can be worn in office regular, like close eye, regular basis. Both are so beautiful. I understand now why did they write world-class luxury innovation. No wonder they were very much right. So this was my unboxing of Abdul Al Qurashi perfumes. If you have any question, please put your comment in the comment box. If you are new, please subscribe. I upload many types of video. It's not really only perfume, but I do upload a lot of different kind of videos. You have to check and please subscribe. Thank you so much. I'll come back again.